What's going on, YouTube? Stu here, and of course I am with a little truck that they call Beast. I tell you, I stay at this place. If I don't know, if I had to pay mortgage, I'd probably be paying it. If I wasn't paying it at my house, I'd be paying it right here. Speaking of which, talking about mortgages, talking about my house. So the reason why I'm here today is because I am fixing the floodlight outside of my house. And it's a doozy. It is a real doozy. Because God bless people that make houses in this era. They cut so many corners these days, and it's just so disrespectful. And the light that I had on there shorted out. And didn't understand why, but it was. I took the old light off. First of all, there's no ground. It's just live wire, neutral wire, the black and white wire, no ground. Just a lot of shortcuts being made that doesn't need to be made. And because this is my house, and because I'm living there, I'm not going to accept mediocre. So if I find it, then guess what? I have to fix it and fix it the right way. So, matter of fact, when I get home, I will show it to you. So disrespectful. Hit my new and improved intro music. Okay, so here's the light fixture that was on my house. Fairly simple, motion sensor, 2 floodlights. Okay, you look on the back, you have your, basically you connect to white to white, black to black, and there was no neutral wire. So I want to show you where it was connected to. You see that? That's how it was connected. As you can see, there is no outlet box, nothing. It was just drilled into the siding. And And if you look closely, there's no neutral wire. So I'm gonna do this how it's supposed to be done. I'm gonna kind of look and see if I see a neutral wire somewhere in there, but if not, I'm just gonna have to wire it how it is now, and then go back in and later and look to see if I see a neutral wire in there. So disrespectful. So now that you've seen the foolishness of what was done, the reason why you saw me at Home Depot was I was purchasing this. This is a side mounting kit. It's pretty self-explanatory. It has the grooves to line up with the siding, and basically all you do is you run this up on the siding because I already have the wiring there. I'm just going to pick which one of these holes fits where the wire already is. Stick that grommet through there, feed my wires through, and these large screws drill through these holes into the siding, and it pretty much keeps it all squared away for me to attach my new light. This little groove right here is just solely for if any water does come in there while it's mounted, it has a place to come out. And so we're gonna go ahead and get it done. All right, so again, this little doohickey here, I like this little contraption because what it does is it is specifically ridged so that it fits flush with the siding. So now that I have that done, I've also gone up there and figured out which one of these holes I'm gonna run my wires through, and it's gonna be door number 1. And so I'm gonna pop this out, put the little grommet in there, feed it through, and then I'm gonna screw it in. Now, what you're gonna screw it in is one of these 4 spots right here. This is actually gonna be for your light bracket, and we'll get to that in a minute. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and pop out door number 1 and keep this party going. All right, I am mounted. Let's see if there's our power. Oh yeah, we're good to go. I don't know if you all can see that, but there is light. So we're good. Hey, I had some deleted scenes, but I do thank you for watching. Please, please, please hit that subscribe button. Holla.